Imagine an electric SUV that takes everything you love about the current market leaders, refines it to an astonishing degree, and offers it in a package that completely redefines the standard for modern mobility. We are talking about a vehicle that has legacy automakers scrambling to redesign their future lineups, while EV enthusiasts are eagerly waiting to get behind the wheel. Welcome to our comprehensive, deep dive look at the 2027 BYD Sealion 7, a car that is not just another addition to the rapidly growing electric vehicle market, but a massive paradigm shift in automotive engineering. If you have been keeping a close eye on the automotive space lately, you already know that the landscape is changing faster than ever before. Brands that were virtually unknown to the Western market a decade ago are now setting the global benchmarks for range, technology, and pure performance. The 2027 Sealion 7 represents the absolute pinnacle of this rapid evolution. It is positioned directly in the crosshairs of the world's best-selling electric vehicles, specifically aiming to dethrone established mid-sized champions like the Tesla Model Y, the Ford Mustang Mach-E, and the Hyundai Ioniq 5. But rather than just copying what others have done, the Sealion 7 introduces a fresh, aggressive, and highly sophisticated approach to what a family-sized electric crossover should truly be. Let us dive deep into every single detail that makes the 2027 BYD Sealion 7 the most anticipated vehicle of the year, starting with the sheer visual impact of its breathtaking exterior design. When you first lay eyes on the 2027 Sealion 7, the immediate impression is one of fluid motion and undeniable road presence. It is built upon the highly acclaimed Ocean Aesthetics design language, but for the 2027 model year, the styling has been significantly sharpened to appeal to a more demanding global market. The front fascia features a deeply sculpted hood diving into a commanding, shark-like nose. The sharp, swept-back LED headlights incorporate a distinctive U-shaped daytime running signature, giving the car an intimidating presence in the rearview mirror. Unlike traditional internal combustion cars that rely on massive, drag-inducing grilles, there is a clean, highly aerodynamic front bumper with subtly integrated air curtains. These cleverly wind smoothly around the front wheels to drastically reduce drag and improve highway efficiency. Moving along the side profile, the coupe SUV silhouette becomes beautifully apparent. The roofline slopes down dynamically toward the rear, giving it an athletic stance without compromising the headroom for the rear passengers, a critical design flaw that plagues many of its direct competitors. The sleekness is further enhanced by flush door handles that pop out automatically as you approach, maintaining incredibly smooth, uninterrupted door surfaces when in motion. It sits perfectly planted on massive, aerodynamically optimized 20-inch or 21-inch alloy wheels, which perfectly fill the muscular wheel arches. At the rear, the Sealion 7 boasts a stunning, full-width LED light bar that looks absolutely mesmerizing at night. The subtle roof spoiler and the aggressive lower rear diffuser work together in perfect harmony to manage high-speed airflow, maximizing the vehicle's aerodynamic efficiency and its overall driving range. But simply looking good in a driveway is only half the battle. An electric vehicle competing in 2027 needs to deliver mind-bending performance on the road, and the Sealion 7 absolutely does not disappoint. Underneath its gorgeous exterior lies the state-of-the-art E-Platform 3.0 Evo, a highly advanced structural architecture designed specifically from the ground up for electric vehicles. This is pure, unadulterated EV engineering at its finest. The Sealion 7 offers multiple powertrain configurations to perfectly suit different driving styles and needs. The rear-wheel drive single-motor variant is expected to serve as the perfect daily driver, delivering smooth, instant torque and a highly efficient power delivery that makes navigating dense city traffic an absolute breeze. However, if you are an enthusiast looking for true thrills, the dual-motor all-wheel drive performance version is exactly where the magic happens. This phenomenal setup pushes out an astonishing amount of horsepower, capable of catapulting this mid-size family SUV from 0 to 60 miles per hour in well under 4 seconds. When you mash the accelerator pedal, the power delivery is viciously instantaneous, pinning you firmly back into your seat with the relentless, silent surge of acceleration that only a high-performance EV can provide. Furthermore, the handling dynamics have been meticulously tuned. Thanks to the advanced cell-to-body technology, where the battery pack is ingeniously integrated directly into the structural frame of the vehicle itself. The Sealion 7 boasts an incredibly low center of gravity and exceptional torsional rigidity. This translates directly to cornering capabilities that perfectly balance a plush, highly comfortable ride over broken city pavement with remarkably sharp, confident, and engaging handling on twisty mountain roads. The biggest and most important conversation around any electric vehicle always comes back to the battery technology, the maximum driving range, and the charging capabilities. This is exactly where the 2027 Sealion 7 truly flexes its technological muscles. It utilizes the latest, most advanced iteration of the legendary Blade battery technology. This specific lithium iron phosphate chemistry is globally recognized for being vastly safer, significantly more durable, and entirely capable of handling daily 100% charging cycles without the severe degradation issues associated with traditional lithium-ion packs. In terms of outright range, the Sealion 7 is heavily engineered to eliminate range anxiety completely. With its advanced aerodynamic profile and highly efficient electric motor design, you can easily expect real-world driving ranges that comfortably exceed 350 miles on a single charge for the long-range battery variants. And when you do finally need to stop and plug in during a long road trip, the charging speeds are absolutely phenomenal. Thanks to an upgraded, cutting-edge 800-volt electrical architecture, the 2027 Sealion 7 can accept ultra-fast DC charging rates. You can pull into a high-powered charging station and take the massive battery pack from 10% all the way up to 80% in roughly 20 minutes. Furthermore, seamless integration with the North American Charging Standard, or NACS, means you will have immediate, hassle-free access to the largest, most expansive, and most reliable fast-charging networks available across the entire continent. Stepping inside the spacious cabin of the 2027 BYD Sealion 7 feels exactly like stepping into an ultra-modern luxury lounge. The sweeping dashboard is remarkably clean, heavily dominated by the absolute centerpiece of the high-tech cabin, a massive 15.6-inch floating infotainment touchscreen. In true signature fashion, this gorgeous display can physically rotate from a traditional landscape layout to a portrait orientation at the simple touch of a button. The custom software running this central screen is lightning fast and comes fully loaded with seamless wireless smartphone integration. Directly in front of the driver, an advanced augmented reality head-up display projects crucial driving information directly onto the windshield, keeping your eyes safely on the road ahead. The seating is incredibly supportive, featuring comprehensive heated, actively ventilated, and advanced multi-point massaging options for ultimate long-distance comfort. In the back row, the completely flat EV floor provides phenomenal legroom, and the massive panoramic glass roof bathes the entire cabin in glorious natural light. Finally, this vehicle is equipped with a comprehensive suite of high-resolution cameras, ultrasonic sensors, and advanced LiDAR technology, enabling a level of semi-autonomous driving that takes all the stress out of long highway commutes. It can maintain its lane, adjust its speed to surrounding traffic, execute safe lane changes, and even automatically park itself. When you put all of this together, the 2027 BYD Sealion 7 is nothing short of an absolute masterpiece that proves the future of electric SUVs does not have to be boring. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this deep dive, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel for more cutting-edge automotive content, and let us know in the comments below if you would choose this over the competition.